Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma prototype to video. This is incredibly useful when you want to share your design work with clients or teammates who might not have Figma access, or when you simply need a quick video demonstration of your interactive prototype. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Figma application on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to work. Once you're in, navigate to and open the specific project that contains the prototype you want to export as a video. It's important that this project already has a working prototype set up, as the plugin will capture whatever interactions you've designed. Now look toward the bottom of your screen and locate the Actions button. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Plugin and Widget. This opens up Figma's plugin library, which is where all the magic happens for extending Figma's functionality beyond its core features. In the search bar that appears, type Export Video. You'll see a plugin called Export to GIF/Video show up in the results. Go ahead and click on it, then hit the Run button. This launches the plugin and prepares it to capture your prototype. At this point, you might need to wait a moment while the plugin loads. Be patient, as it's initializing all the necessary tools to record your prototype interactions properly. Once the plugin finishes loading, you'll be presented with two options. You can either choose Activate with Figma or Continue as Guest. If you plan to use this plugin regularly, activating with Figma is the better choice, as it may save your preferences. However, if you just need a quick export, continuing as guest works perfectly fine. After making your selection, click I'm ready, let's go. This confirms you're ready to begin the export process. Now the plugin will start processing your prototype and converting it into video format. This step might take a little while depending on the complexity and length of your prototype, so just sit tight and let it do its work. Once the processing is complete, your video export is ready. That's it. You've successfully turned your Figma prototype into a shareable video file that you can send to anyone, embed in presentations, or use in client proposals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.